be you based on the wire no ye be you to yet ni to form wo ye be ma come and resolve it at you see ni nti e wi ase na wo kwa wo
mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frɛ me adwoa search nim ebusuafo wo se ewiase mu ade a wode ye wa enye wo de no emfa enye wo nyonko Kelvin Taylor sorry a otene platform so na odi mpanfo atem kyese atem a ekotwi eba abrama nyinara odi dinkrofo ewo krumi ha from president to ahemfofo so to ordinary people a omo krumi ya Kelvin Taylor di obi atem sitia emumba ne mumema Kelvin Taylor to be the ataba catcher His Excellency the former president now Bank Kufuor says said you mintimi ponka and some fata Kelvin Taylor di atema odi watema na chesa atema esa wo de dru kan wano na so Kelvin Taylor ne papa a oyo he e wo central region na say Kelvin Taylor office central region yes sir akoye niamo ho akoye niam ensem fata as a chief na wo tu na Kelvin Taylor se he ne ha. If you are a man like you, touch my father. Just say you dare not touch his father.
If anybody tries,
yeah, abusia your friend me when Belfast. Me a political activist. Abusia. And penny focus and be say, do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Now, I am so surprising because in some of this time, I was a brand friend Kelvin Taylor, ne papa so you know. Abusia. I know dene na mpese me do rasa ansem but before them mpese me busa Kelvin Taylor asem say Kelvin na Taylor enti say obi try say wode Ofui ni betwetwe form Kelvin say eya so obi di o maami anasa o papa atama na say nipa bi a o Kelvin Taylor respect ni obi di na 10% ni anim twetwe form say Kelvin Taylor eya okay busua ye hwe video bi mra esi a Kelvin Taylor ono oma Central Regional House of Chiefs warning say if they mess with his father he's going to dissolve the Central Regional House of Chiefs. Abusia, yan konkohwe mra na minche odi wom. Stay with me.
But if anybody tries, I will dissolve the Central Regional House of Chiefs. The kind of materials that may go about, the House of Chiefs will not exist again in a Central region. If anybody tries, the way I'm on mapem wasem, the way muya bibiama mumbano, I will do anything for my dad. And I am telling you people, with all due respect, why wouldn't him say why a BB and I have I'm just advising the National House of Chiefs they should open inquiries into the Central Regional House of Chiefs. The kind of corruption going on there.
Mo bianca na kuma nso ne me wi ase Bible say de wudua no eno na wutwa. Na me say Kelvin Taylor I want to promise you say eniama wo ye nyina no wahu. Eni say Bible ka so say na no ma ye bone na ye ni yetua so ka Kelvin Taylor. Me say your deeds will descend from your dad to your children and to your generation to come. They will all be reduced to nothing. Unless I him for now wanu ati omu na ko bunko to depa ma chawo. Ofi say wi ase da hokwa. And they do so say the city. Now obusa ma me fa wura nsem nim. Kelvin Ekobadu Taylor aka Ama Taylor. Ne papa ya ohene e Central region. Na ne papa nkunya din enie. Okakaben Aidan Ando. Okakaben Aidan Ando. Waye paramount chief wo Abra Azeibu kwa Mankese district. Wa the Central region. Abusia emi se papa yi akwakwaya niamo ho bi. Emi so akwakwaya ne ma bia ensa na mfata ni kwase panyiye. And the Central Regional House of Chiefs, which the president in this person of Odefo Amuakun Buadu, the 8th, any impending for a treasure, a choker tadia Thomas from a place, Ombra, the Central Regional House of Chiefs, I say, near Musan and Nonsembi. Nabusho been there, Kobai, and I have for Korea Satan say, ye, you're not crying a day, and throw beam. Now, no, Kelvin Taylor, Cocotia was on tell us I didn't tina. Ya friend papa ne almost so san kwanya na hu hia bi enu nti no catch the Central Regional House of Chief one say omontro krata said omontro krata di invite no omontro krata nkan kire papa say meeting hu hia anya sa he will expose them or no be dissolve the Central Regional House of Chiefs abusha minim de ntia abinu mama akwa we feel like as we powerful bia ma minim I don't know minim the his source of that's power na man feel say no na busia even President Mahama kro no tawachi no oye hwesuni o Ghana nya President Mahama dia sa officer Ghana President Mahama dia Bragana na benanti kumase benanti abonten ne yehwa ade ube hu say John Dramani Mahama oye hwesuni o man nya ne dia na busia before me to me say so no to the Central Regional House of Chiefs. Nana no yenim se munim nyansa. Yenim se muni empanyimfo amakuto omaya ababesi anu say. Now I'm going to give some of their names to you and then tell them what I need to tell them. Now, you were the president of the Central Regional House of Chiefs in the person of or therefore Amwakwa Buadu the 8th. On the paramount chief of Breman Traditional Council. You are also be or therefore Achen. On also paramount chief of what? A Kunfi traditional area. You are also be a paramount on also or Sabarima Kwesi Ata the second or Sabarima Kwesi Ata the second. On also a paramount chief of Ogwa traditional area. Now, Nanama more Central Region Mabumudin. Kevin Taylor at threatening. Say, well, when him now didn't Papa Bedia go, he will do everything for his dad. Mubinima ya Niama or the Baba Trouble. And Nanum may can't the same crying say the Central Regional House of Chief is an independent body on its own. Obedient to me influence, not even John Dramani Mahama, obedient to me influence some affairs. Let Kevin Taylor bring anything that he also on man family bunting. Any punishment be any papa deserve. If that man deserves to be destood, do it now. Kevin Taylor, who is your father? Why? Otum from Paul Cassetiano. Otum from Yameka Cassetiano. Chief Imam, Cassetiano. And him from Penny for or Sunday for motor for the penny of the or changing Cassetiano. Oh, Papa, why? Who knows your father? Nana more Central Region. Yes, Remo. I saw Trebia Kevin Taylor, Papa Fatani said, was somewhere in the truck now. Do it immediately. No, no, deserve the Central Regional House of Chiefs in Radi. So, Officer Ghana, and let him come and do what he wants to do. Move about it. Move back to me and street so. Share. I bet you work Kako be a hot through. I'm so Papa, one Papa, you're be reducing it to nothing. No, Papa, you'd never to social media. A train a check up in Tama, you're being in talk on Yaman in 20 form. Next time was somebody will be sure as they set it. Oh, and they'll be the corp of ya Kevin Taylor and ya. Share. Ah, sir. And you two for the new papa. Or such for motor for the penny, no papa. I am for now more Central Region when I also warm Munia man, I will threaten or no man for papanum. You lie bad. May see you lie bad. Only shame and I make a Kevin Taylor any evidence, only shame. The one of family still the Central Regional House of Chief will remain the Central Regional House of Chief because your father isn't the custodian of the Central Regional House of Chiefs. Central Regional House of Chiefs in your papa dia. He is just a common chief. You be in a flakunyano so. You be in based on the wire. You be in a 2 year in a 20 form. We ya Bema come and resolve it as you see in NT. If we are seeing a hoka, Abusia, we are seeing a hoka. Who am I home so dim penny for attempt dim quasia? So, papa, so you're hinting me Kenyans the same behind you. And they call Papa so the Obabayaka comments. No one has over penny in the Kakabing. As a mother who summon any instance in some thing moody. We will see. To the Central Regional House of Chiefs, Nanami Jamudi. Take action. Any action that you have to take against that man, take it now. And nothing will happen. Madam say.
Kelvin Taylor forgetting say about I offense almost a ban what the botechues that about what the botech what the boban. Penefune come wasem. So inti na wiase wo obi bone as say who say bone na wo de ye wonyo kono. So the sa bone ni bi ye we be ye wo de because ye ina emoja and run through our veins. Inti yate yaw Kelvin Taylor did that be etini di obi tina the platform so din attempt. Can't you do politics without insult? Now in some way beto odwano Kelvin Taylor threaten Central Regional Chiefs no and a Ghana food bin so asori no mo HSA Kelvin Taylor. Office Ghana na shawonsa. And I say Ghana na John Dramani Mahama dia. Ghana na ye na yendia. Into we kwasi asem na oti US one awudi no. If we are man enough. Bragana na benante ha. Ne hu say Ghana share John Dramani Mahama nensa na say Ghana na ye na yendia. Ka be fa yen la. Into do oti US one aw feel say we ye kese you are nobody. Nothing could be. You know bia. Enti Ghana for ma Kelvin Taylor warning say ne papa ne de kene ke ombetu no ono ndi menya hwe kene ke ese so omutu no adeso because we din sem hu na enya wo ba a o threat e na ese wo beka say eni ntinima no wontu na Kelvin Taylor threat na o threat nyina no de na Kelvin Taylor bitimi aye Kelvin Taylor ahemfufu na mo Central Region ne Kelvin Taylor ne papa ye ne ese say o ya ise wotu no anase se ne pa ne sem hu no odi na e affect mo ahinde na ese mutu no Kelvin Talent mi ya hwede obeka na say mo je bribe e na bribe house obi agibi John Dramani Mahama je bribe ni appointees je bribe politicians a waga na obi ayo kromfo into ahen say wa je bribe and say wa kwaton asase a ni say wo ton a papa na say Kelvin Taylor ne papa e boda muntu no fi ade so muntu no na mu say muntu na Kelvin Taylor hu so no ni tumi bia na no pampa o evidence die ni ba bi ode ba ohin ode de beto so ya na odi na temi o so ohin wa je bribe de say normal onti me nka se wa kofa se bi o wo fa ase ana ori ni nua ana se wa ko bokron no bribe na waje bribe nso do bi agibi nti Kelvin Talent ni nya hwenzi ma Kelvin Taylor fe hu hihye mu na de ese mo ye wo Ghana ha no nti me nye imagine say ye ti o man mu na light akọ off imagine say dum so no inja yo dum so no inja yo mutumi dum light ne kapre be say 10 minutes no mo adum be 55 aso na ne akọ off nso a 6 hours na fe na aba yet together how you cannot complain because so complaining Kelvin Taylor will come after you we are influencer we are journalist na say who dom do which Kelvin Taylor will come and threaten you say do not talk about the government adibe because na nyekwa don't talk about it because me Kelvin Taylor hey Edio
and they say the NDC for Abranti ya also on a demo bar power 2024 when it dear temo my gun the muha would do be a tem a man also on a NDC about power say so social media biana NDC for more tam say any neko at the DNC. What do you mean to Muntaka? What do you mean
to respond to a bigot, somebody who hates our country but pretend to love it, whose talk is just to malign innocent persons with lies.
Yeah, a hey, I'm a person. Ye see video na wa be ha eni hiame. Hwɛ Muntaka. Me say asem bi abrante ne de baba bonti bia ye begye di. Muti krom ha Muntaka wo ye pani wani afi wo sua nwoma dura kiri. Abrante ti oman ati na buro kiri America bonti so. Estatis wo di mpanimfo o oman ga na mu hatam enye eneba. Wati chief mama tem wati otumfo atem. Why na branch we only na tem wo man ga na mu ha. Enanu ya handsome obeka for mampani kofo ho. NDC 40 to social media radio so TV so justify sa ensemhunu ne kwase asem wei moti hon mo justify say nsem a abrante ne kan nyina ye onokre na mampani kofo aba be se wo man be bo man. Nene de okaba mudie mu ani abre. Oso oba aba be yi mu flag bearer de amamo. Mpo be yi amamo. Yeti o man mu ha ama branti we akofo oba sansadeli adina bre NDC for mama na appointment abra aba wani nkuta certificate bi na motiwo na wo hwe sabe Muntaka se na wo kroma na wo tiwo na hwe ene de won se kaba wo dem de wani abre. Me see assembly obeka fa hu bia be tie di because mo see assembly o waka fa mampani kufo hu bia no kore eti assembly o de beba bonti bia yeso be die di mo wo hono mo a mo nsua de abrante na jimi wonim nyansa enso mo te hono mo hwe no ena o te wo jimi ena mo sori NDC yura John Dramani Mahama no atam sika firi Ghana no de akoma no no de jimi eti wanya tumi Abrante di nkwasi asema ma ye na court oba ya na mampani John Dramani Mahama one man the body guy aside na court na your vice president fee na pese me busa you John Dramani Mahama say Abrante no oye American ambassador to Ghana na so oye dey eno ne mpanifo bu be bi say what tie aduane boni ma oye furu di a e botwene e ma wo sa what na ho so ye hu wa ba no ma otete wo che eno bi na mo tena nkwase asem wa ne ba bi aduru no afa de mo ankasa memo mo ankasa no amemo won se de NDC ni obi ani abre ana afa de mo ekwa attack no be se onya hu hwe ye se jimi owe anu ohye eche dam yale Yesu kwa ba asase so wanti miansa no ani jimi Abranti ni Jimini, or you kurasini, when you mukan wakotana buchi. As more Jina, your Jina Baba, no Tigo wood Jimmy, and I must say, and this or minus Kana, ye, young who the idea and quano, most as Salamos had a command, what to know Jimmy. One Sunday your caba would you when you after you be a attacking. Miss Munyan who the Ababano, a better way. The Ababano, a better way. So about him of Frank Bear, dear mamma, or very useful dear mamma, who po won't only be dear mamma. Said the Mopam one. Now, Minia be that and I never video be. Catchy be say, or could American passport, it's a chroma yenti mention. It would do be at my own family. Now, the same boosters I will run and say, I don't America, when I was telling you, only did Donald Trump at him. And now America, and you are more parliament until who did you at him. Nanka, sink up 3 minutes about 2 more if you have to Ghana, and your son pass yourself to Jimmy Samsung, or Bano, or Tihono did at him. Oh, Catus or American citizen, it will obey to the Jew be at him or Ghana, no fun wedi, Bebois. And America, who not in the until only did Donald Trump, and as America, or more parliament, and as American company for only do a matter. That's in 2 minutes, about 2 more if you have to. And so much one, and I'm so a brainwashing at the genius and this for Muntino, or more and this Libya and Nene. Minia, me do be a sober no shaman as well, TB.